Hello, welcome to your Heal Your Body with Your Mind meditation. Today we will learn how to heal our physical bodies with our minds. The mind-body connection is a fact of life, and every thought, belief, assumption, and emotion that you have is physically affecting your body. The mind is a powerful tool, and it communicates with every cell in your body. Now, before we dive in, let's do a quick check. Observe in your mind right now. What is it there for you right in this second? What is the color of your feelings right now? Is it bright and airy and translucent? Or is it dark, gray, and cloudy? Now prepare for your meditation. Allow your body to sit restfully with your hands on your lap, sitting down or laying down, whatever feels comfortable to you. When you think negative, fearful, anxiety-provoking thoughts, every cell in your body will get the message through the hormones released in your brain. Similarly, every positive thought communicates to your cells that is the right time to grow, expand, thrive, and heal. Choosing what thoughts to believe will directly influence your body and your overall life in the most direct and impactful way. As your mind has a natural inclination towards negativity, choosing to believe your positive thoughts might feel unnatural at first. A good way to balance your mind is to remember that your mind is the faithful servant of your heart. And the baseline of your heart is love. Balance balance your negative thoughts by looking into your heart and connecting with love. Now feel in your heart, just for a few moments, a deeply intense love. Imagine someone specific in your life, your child, your parent, your partner, your friend, or yourself. When you deeply feel this emotion in your heart, your mind will follow. Listen to your heart and use your mind to heal your body, to allow it to grow, expand, thrive, and heal. Now repeat a few times in your mind and in your heart. I heal my body with my mind. I heal my body with my mind. Now take a couple of deep, meaningful breaths here. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. With each breath, allow yourself to go even deeper and allow your mind to flow. And in the back of your mind, deep in your heart, repeat the following. I heal my body with my mind. I heal my body with my mind. Whenever you're being distracted by thoughts, noises, or physical sensations, gently return your attention to your breath and to repeating the sentence, I heal my body with my mind. As you slowly return to the room or to the place you are in, allow your mind to reconnect with your space. Take a few deep and luscious breaths in and deep and luscious exhales out. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes. As you continue with your day, contemplate the thought, I heal my body with my mind.